In order to use voice typing on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first we can open Settings. Next, in Settings, scroll down and choose System and Update. After that, we're gonna go to the Input method, then Manage Keyboards, and then over here we can choose Gboard because this is the default keyboard on our phone. Now we can find voice typing in here, and of course we can make sure that it is enabled, and also we can enable faster voice typing if you wanted to. After that, we can open our keyboard and we can use the microphone on the right side of the phone in order to start using voice typing. Of course, we need to grant the permission if you try to do this for the first time, and then whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text, as you can see right now on the screen. Tap on the microphone in order to turn off the voice typing, and in some cases, it can also automatically deactivate once you end your speech. Leave a like and subscribe.